friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about MaxSun GeForce RTX 4080 or 4070 Ti Mega Gamer GPU with 5 fans. So friend, MaxSun has announced its new Mega Gamer GPU series, and friend, this series comes with an optional fan attachable to the backplate, raising the full number of fans to 4. And friend, the MaxSun MGG graphics card takes things to a new level with 5 fans, and they are all already pre-installed, and the extra fans are located on the one side right aside to a large ARGB strip or optionally a metric LED display. And friend, the company confirmed that the Mega Gamer GPU will be RTX 4070 Ti and it will ship with factory overclocking, and the details on clocks are not yet confirmed. It looks like the MGG series is not part of the iCraft GPU family but a separate even high-end line of products. And friend, whether those tiny fans make any difference for 285 TDP card, it is hard to say right now, but such innovations are always welcome and may eventually be a start of something new. And besides, it probably makes more sense to put a fan on site rather than a large display or another RGB strip, and MaxSun was able to do both. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.